watch Irish Magic on TG Car? Do you ever watch it? Oh, he's forever talking to his paint and his brushes. Down, Mr. Mount.
And for all of the sweet loving that I have received, in the sun, in the rain, by the moon, by the sea, there is one time that I'm thinking of, one time where one woman did knock me off my feet. And my knees were shaking and my jaw was dropping, and my eyes were squinting and my smile was growing, and my pants were bulging and my hands were sweating and my chest was beating, so I cried. Excuse me, what is the secret to your song? Cause when you're walking along, your legs are a melody, my hands would like to play, and your hips are a note that does take me away, and your face and your eyes and your hair and your waist and your smile drive me to distraction. She turned and she gave the evil eye. Why thank you, she said, then she sighed. Oh, there's one thing I think you failed to mention. Oh, what I said that she said is the rhythm you forgot, and right then I knew I was what, and she snapped to my lips and she kissed and she said, young man, I'll show you some rhythm. To show you some rhythm. Why since then, the rhythm's been running through my veins, in my thoughts, in my eyes, in my head. It's insane, it's that thing that does drive me to scream on the street when I think of some places it's taken me. I feel horny when I'm thinking of some of that rhythm in my mind. What she gave, what she gives to me all of the time. Say a little bit of sweet loving in your day. Oh, my friends know what keeps the bad thoughts away. So sing with your hips, my baby, when you're dancing to this tune. Hey, hey, and when this tune is true, we'll sneak to some place and continue to. Hey, hey, say sing with your hips, my baby, when you're dancing to this tune. And when this tune is through,